My stock portfolio is down $173,000 since this time last year. Yes, you've read that thumbnail correctly, and I'll say it again. My stock portfolio is down $173,000 since this time last year. No, it doesn't feel good, but we're going to talk about it in this video. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you my overall return in regards to my stock portfolio since I started investing on Robinhood. And of course, I'm going to show you the fact that my portfolio is down $173,000 since this time last year. But hey, if you're new to this channel, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so now when it comes to the stock market, I never ever pretend to be a guru. As a matter of fact, you can check the very first video that I made way back whenever pertaining to my investment journey. And I'm pretty sure I said something in the video about the fact that I'm not a guru, okay? And it's obvious that I'm not a guru because my portfolio is down $173,000. It's like The Price is Right or whatever when they're like, come on down, or Wheel of Fortune when they're like, you can win $20,000 or whatever the amount is, okay? But like I said, right now my portfolio is down $173,000. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump straight onto the computer so I can show you exactly what's going on, and then I'll show you every single investment that I have currently in my portfolio and what my overall return has been since I made that investment. So right now, you're looking at the screen. You can see my Robinhood portfolio. It's currently valued at $137,000 right now. This is live. My portfolio as of today is up $11,000. Now, once again, this is live. This is as of today. I'm going to click on 1W, which is going to show you the last week. So here we are. The last week, my portfolio is down $2,800. The last month, my portfolio is down $50,000. $50,000 in the last month. The last 3 months, my portfolio is down $59,000. Year to date, my portfolio is down $170,000. And then, of course, when I click on 1Y, my portfolio from the moment of making this video, which is December the 29th, 2022, if you go all the way back here to December the 29th of 2021, my portfolio was valued at $311,000. As you guys can see, my portfolio went up here January 3rd, 2022 to $321,000. Of course, it went up even further here in March 29th, 2022. My portfolio was valued at $317,000. But that's not why you're here. You're here to see the fact that my portfolio in the past year is down $173,391. Of course, this is live, so that's going to be moving as I'm talking about it. So that's where my portfolio is as of right now. Now, of course, how much money have I invested in the stock market on Robinhood? If I click on all right here on the screen, you can see that my all-time experience on Robinhood, which doesn't really count from back here in 2016, 2017. You see there was some action back here. I basically invested at the time $4,399. And so as you can see, 2017, there was nothing going on. I took that money out. I took my losses. I said, F the stock market. I don't know what I'm doing. And, you know, obviously, if I had left my money in, I would have been in a better space as far as what companies I had invested in back then. Okay, but I didn't know what I was doing. So I got scared, took my money out, took my L, and I was basically down negative $4,399. Okay, so fast forward to 2020, May 2020, of course, coronavirus was running rampant. I'm like, this is a great time to invest in the stock market. Things are down, right? Once again, didn't know what I was doing. Not a guru. Okay, I thought I was going to day trade. I was going to swing trade. I was basically going to buy low and sell high because, you know, I'm smart. I got it, right? So many times in life we think, I got it, you know. Of course, if you're a human being and you're over the age of 30 or over the age of 20, you definitely have your experiences where you're like, I got it. Like, oh, I got it. I can squeeze in between these cars, and then maybe not so much. Oh, I could parallel park, and then maybe not so much. You get the drift. Okay. So since May of 2020, I've invested $260,000. Now, of course, there's $5 that Robinhood Gold takes every single month. So, of course, this is going to fluctuate. But basically, I've invested $260,000. So, since that, which is the amount that I've invested, my portfolio is currently down $126,000. Now, Robinhood is taking into consideration the $4,000 that I lost back in 2016, 2017. Okay. But I'm not, but whatever. So my overall return on Robinhood is down negative 47%, which is negative $126,000. So you can see here my journey, right? You can see my portfolio. I invested $260,000. I was up 283. I was down 200,000. I was up way over here 307,000 back in March 2022. Of course, I was down. This I thought was going to be the lowest point, down $80,000. Nope. Currently, my lowest point is I'm down $126,000. Okay. But I show you guys that because on this channel, I want to be transparent. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and go ahead and smash the thumbs up in this video. It helps the channel tremendously. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys my positions and just show you, where I am. So I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible. So be patient. I just want to give you guys an authentic and transparent look of what's going on in my particular portfolio. Okay. So I have a little position with Dogecoin, so with Dogecoin, my overall return is I'm down 69%. I'm down $910, $909. Of course, this is live, so this is going to fluctuate. So that's my overall experience with Dogecoin. My average cost per share is 23 cents. Dogecoin is trading for 7 cents. Okay, so as you can see, I'm down. The next one up is Armor Residential REIT. It's trading for $5.75. My average cost is $10.40. My total return, I'm down negative $6,118. All right. The next one up, MFA Financial, currently trading for $9.80. My average cost, $15.16. Total return, I'm down 34%, which is negative $1,500 and something dollars. The next one up, AG&C. As you can see, my total return is I'm down 21%. That's a negative $1,000. Gonna keep it moving along here. The next one is Prospect Capital. My total return, I am down 2.56%, which is negative $300. The next one up is Starwood Property Trust. My total return is I'm down 4.96%, which is a negative $306. The next one up is Gladstone Capital. I am currently down 11.28%, which is $1,373 that I'm in the red. The next one up is Energy Transfer. I just invested in this one recently. My overall return is I'm up 0.39%, which is $24. The next one up, Kinder Morgan. I am currently up 23%, which is plus $402. The next one up, Triple M, 3M. I just got this one recently as well. I am down 5.64%, negative $251. The next one up is Huntington Bank. My overall return with this one is I'm up 13.90%, which is plus $186. The next one up, Stag Industrial. I'm currently down 18%, which is negative $332. The next one up is ExxonMobil. I love this one. Man, I should have invested way more money with this one. Such is life. My total return is I'm up 135%, which is $2,755. The next one up is Vanguard High Dividend ETF. I am currently up 19%, which is $215. The next one is another Vanguard ETF. This is VGT. I'm currently down negative 21%. That is negative $6,800. The next one is another Vanguard ETF. I am currently down 24%, which is negative $4,158. The next one is Apple, where I have a lot of money invested. My overall return, I am down 9%, which is negative $21,000. The next one up is Tesla, which is another one that I have a lot of. I'm currently down negative 24%, which is negative $8,700 and something dollars. This is live, so of course it's moving a lot. The next one up is Lucid Group, another EV company. I am currently down negative 57%, which is negative $39,000. Obviously that hurts my feelings a lot. Okay, the next one up is Google. My overall return is I'm up 0.14%, which is $2 and some change. Then I have Amazon, where I am down negative 12%, which is negative $264. Now, I wanted to zip through that and show you guys. Since I started the video, my portfolio has gone up another, like almost another $1,000, right? So right now it's up $12,591. Now, of course, that looks good and that's cool, but overall, I'm super duper down. Please keep into consideration that the video is talking about the fact that for the last year, which once again, today is December the 29th, from December the 29th, 2022 to December 29th of 2021, my portfolio is down $173,000. It might be okay, still $173,000 right now. Okay, so of course it doesn't feel good. I absolutely hate it, but such is life, and you can never really connect the dots to the past, you know, other than looking back on the past. That's when you can connect the dot. That's when you can say, oh, I should have done this here. And then if I didn't do this thing here, then I wouldn't have this result, right? Kind of like all the things that you do in your life that make you who you are and how you are. If you don't have certain experiences, then you won't necessarily have the perspective that you do, because our experiences shape who and how we are. Just like in regards to the stock market, of course, I wish I would have invested in Amazon back when Amazon started, in Tesla back when Tesla started, with Apple when Apple started. You know what I mean? Of course, I'm going to say that because the thing is, I could have easily invested with Apple back in 2008 or whenever it was when they launched the first iPhone. That would have made perfect sense. You know what I mean? There was the iPod, you know, and then of course they came out with the iPod Touch, and then they came out with iPads. I mean, it would have been really, really good had I done that, but I can only say that now, looking back, right? I mean, at that time, whatever was going on in my life was more important than me investing in the stock market or investing with Apple. So such is life. Now, moving forward, of course, I'm going to sit still, sit tight. $260,000 is a lot of money that I've poured into the stock market, and so it's not quite the thing that I want to do to continue to pour money into the market, even though now would be a good time to grab more shares with companies that are insanely solid, that I know nothing has changed about this company. The value of this company hasn't changed, but what has changed is what's going on currently in our society in regards to recession and inflation and all the things that we have no control over. Okay, all we can control is how we react or respond to that. And so when it comes to the stock market, this is a good time that you would and should have been saving your money, and you know, could probably grab some shares of something that maybe you wanted to invest in. Okay, trust me, I never thought that my investment with Tesla, my average cost is $164 per share. I never thought it was going to go below that, and right now Tesla's trading for $120 something, which is like bonkers. Of course, I wish I had money that I wanted to invest in the stock market right now, but life is never perfect. And the thing is, if it was perfect, we'd find something to complain about. So, you know what I mean? You just got to take it in stride and just stay positive and move forward, which is what I'm going to do in regards to my portfolio, which once again is down $173,000. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Smash the thumbs up in this video. It helps the channel tremendously. All right. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.